Hello and welcome to Real Auto Reviews. My name is Syed Shiraz Shah, and that's how the Lexus RX350h looks, okay, from outside with all the lights on. Alright, let me quickly show you the car from behind. And so I've switched the fogs on as well, okay, and yes, now let's drive. Let me show it to you from the front once again. Right now, oh, I should show you the cabin as well. Let me switch on. And this is how it looks. All right. Yeah, now let's drive. Alright, so this is how the road looks. Alright, with that car passing by, I'm sure you now get a better idea. Alright, and ta-da! So that's the low beam, and let me switch on the fogs. The fogs are on, okay. Now the fogs are off, okay. On, off, on, off, on. Okay, in fact, let me show it to you here. Give me 1 second. Okay, so see, fogs off, fogs on, fogs off, fogs on. Okay, fogs off, fogs on, fogs off, fogs on. Once more, fogs off, fogs on, and the high beam. Now let's drive. I hope you can see the heads-up display as well. This is by far the clearest, okay, heads-up unit that I've experienced yet. Brilliant. See. I hope you can see my GoPro angle. I hope is doing justice to it. If by any chance you can't see it, you can take my word for it that it is fantastic. Yeah, good enough, good enough. Nothing extraordinary. The headlights are good. Yeah. Okay, so I would want to show you the reversing camera as well. Okay. Brilliant. This is the front camera, of course, now. Okay. Yep. Yeah, the headlights are good. No complaints whatsoever. Okay, what I'll do now is I'll lower the seat, and just to ensure that you're able to see okay, I hope you can now see the heads-up display properly. All right. Alright guys, so I hope you liked the video, and do hit that like button, do subscribe if you haven't already, do leave a comment, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.